Let's begin by preparing your document for the screencast. First thing you want to do is go ahead and click on your layers. Go ahead and unlock your template and go ahead and click on Kong 1. In order to select the actual photo, what you're going to do is you're going to click on the blue dot. Now, while that blue dot's selected, go ahead and turn off the visibility of your layout just so you can see what's happening. So blue dot selected on Kong. We're going to come over here to the opacity and we're going to turn these back to 100. And then I'm going to go down to the next page. I'm going to click on this top photo. I'm going to see that Kong is selected. If it's not, go ahead and click on the blue dot. Go ahead and increase the opacity back to 100. And then go ahead and lock it. Next thing to do is go ahead and turn the visibility of your layout back on. And let's go ahead and grab from the word template and let's drag up so that the white line is above layout. All right, now go ahead and press W on your keyboard. That will hide, that'll bring it to preview mode. Now zoom in, and this is where you'll start your screencast. What you're going to do for your screencast is you're going to show me in preview mode the template, and you'll turn off the template. Then turn it back on, turn it off, turn it back on, turn it off. So as you're doing that, you can explain to me any issues that you had, any problems that you had, or if you had anything that you had issues with at all. Then go ahead and switch to normal mode and show me that you have those 4 separate boxes. Then what you'll do is you'll scroll down to this one. Make sure that I can see the entire thing. And then what you'll do is you'll turn your template on and you'll repeat the same process. So be in preview mode, go here's the original. And there's my template that I've made, or the layout that I've made off of that. Turn it on and turn it off. I'm just kind of looking to see that you've got everything there. All right, that looks good. And then you'll switch to normal mode. And I just want to see that you have the separate boxes. And then there's one last thing that I want to see. While you're in the normal mode, go ahead and click on the first text frame. I want to see that you've properly linked these together. So to do that, you're going to go to click on the first box. You're going to go to View. You may want to make a note of this. View, Extras, Show Text Threads. So View, Extras, Show Text Threads. What that will do is it'll show me these links from where the text is coming from and where it's going. And if you had any problems or issues, just let me know what those were. And if you didn't, then you can just sign off. Thank you for going through this, and then we'll talk about what to do with your own personal magazines, which I'm super excited about seeing.